Hi, I am Gurmohan. I explain the computer networks and data communication. Computer networks, a collection of computer linked together using transmission media for the purpose of communication and research sharing. Transmission media is a physical and non-physical link between two or more computers and in which a signal can be made to flow from source to destination. Resource sharing is the sharing of these resources that are attached to the network for access by users. Example file, printers, data, application, program, etc. Data communication, a process of transmitting data signal from one point to another through the network. Telecommunication, the communication transferring of data and information over significant distance is known as telecommunication. Advantages of computer networks are data and software of computers can be shared with other computer on the network. Only the authorized users of a network can use the facilities of the network. Computers on the networks can communicate with each other. Advantages of computer networks: data and information may be stolen by computer hackers if the security of networks is not reliable. If any computer in a network gets a computer virus, there is a high chance of spreading computer virus on the other computer. The sharing of information may lead to privacy of the other client. Explain how computer network reduce expense in an office. Computer networks can allow business to reduce expense and improve efficiency by sharing data and common equipment such as printers among many different computers. Next, data communication. Data signal is a volatile signal level in the circuit which represents representative flow that is schedulable for transmission over a transmission media. Media converts digital signal by superposing it an analog carrier signal which is transmitted. Multiplexing is a process of sending multiplex data signals over the same media. Carry several data signals either simultaneously or at different times. Demultiplexing, the process of separating the multiplexed signals at the received end. Next, data communication, or there are three models of data: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Simplex communications is only one direction. Example: radio broadcast. The listener cannot communicate back through radiant receiver. Half duplex communication is both direction but one direction at a time. Sender sends information that then the receiver can replay radio call. Full duplex communication occurs in both directions simultaneously. Computer sending and receiving data and network both direction at the same time. Types of computer networks. Types of computer networks are classified according to size. There are three communication networks: local area network and metropolitan area network. wide area network Next type of network topology refer to a way which computer and other devices have been arranged or how data is passed from one computer to another in a computer. Topology is viewed in two ways. Logical topology, signal topology deals with the way data process from one device to the next the network. Physical topology refers to the physical layout or arrangement of components on the network. Example: star, bus, ring. Bus topology, alternatively referred to as an line topology, a busy topology in a network setup in which each computer and network device are connected to a signal cable or backbone. The following section contains both the advantages and disadvantages of using by topology with your device. Advantages of bus topology: it works well when you have a small network. Disadvantages of topology: difficult to identify the problem if the whole network goes down. Ring topology: a ring network is a network topology in which each node connects to exactly two other nodes, formatting a signal continuous pathway for signals through each node. A ring. Data travels from node to node. Advantages of ring topology: very ordinary network where every device has access to the token and the opportunity transmitter. Star topology and mesh topology. Switch bridge, pocket of forwarding in switches or forward using application specific integrated circuits. Thank you.